No use saying sorry. All right, we'll go ahead and do this little example from the notes. Turn down Alexa. Turn down Alexa. Sorry, you guys. Jamming to the 97 rock out of Buffalo. Anyway, Alexa, pause. So let's go through this. So what you would do, suppose the Buffalo Bills decide to build a brand new stadium at a cost of $450. So the Bills management, they're going to generate that money back respectively. How long is it going to take in order to get the money back? So what you would do, just like we did here, I would go year one. Come on. Come on. Year one. Year two. Year three. So in year one, we're going to get 66. At the end of year one, we'll have $66 in the bank. Year two, we have 279. At the end of year two, I have $345 in the bank. How did we get that? Once again, you take this money at the end of year one, you add it with the money from year two, and you get this cumulative amount, or this is how much we have in the bank, 345. In year three, we have 413. So at the end of year three, I have 758. At that particular point, you can see that I'm able to pay that $450 back. Okay? So it's going to take all of 2 years and part of 3 years to get our money back. So from the video before, the first step that I would do, I would lay this out going through the years. The second thing that you would do is you would take that initial investment, which is right here, 450, and place that in between where it falls in the years, and it falls between 2 and 3. So step A, and I'm just going right through this right here. Step A, I take my initial investment, 450, and I subtract the number that's above that line, or that number right there. I'm going to subtract my investment from year two or whatever year, wherever that falls in between. So I'm taking a number above it. And it is, what is that? 300. Come on. Oops, sorry. Oh, I got to do this again. 450, sorry, minus 345. And I get, for answer A, 105. Step B. What you're going to do now, this is probably the trickiest part, is you need to figure out what month or how many months in year three are you going to get your money back. So if I'm talking 1 month or 11 months, that's a huge difference of getting your money back. So when somebody says, oh, I'll pay you, this year, well, you probably want to know, like, all right, how many months or how many weeks? So this is the importance of that. So step B, you're going to take the number, okay, that is below and to the left. So this is the old Newt Robinson, the econ guy that did it for Reagan and all them other guys. So this is how we were taught. So you take the initial investment, and I'm going to make up that money somewhere in here in year three. So I'm going to take my 450 and I'm going to divide it by year three, because somewhere in year three I'm going to get my money back. And you can see this. Oops, sorry. That should be 12. I got to figure out 12. Sorry, guys. 413 divided by 12 will give me months. Why are you not? What are you doing? What are you doing? You've lost your mind. Sorry, 413 divided by 12. Following the example. I go. And that'll give me 34. Letter C. You take your answer from A and divide it by your answer from B, and you get somewhere in 3 months. So the payback is, just as it says, 2 years, and in that year 3, it's going to take 3 months. So payback is 3 years, 3 months. Okay? Sorry it's so long. So real quick, going through this once again. Take your cumulative cash flow. Once you've got your numbers laid out for the year, take your initial investment. Where does it fall? I'm not going to tell you it falls every time at year 2, which kids getting confused. So I put that number in between where it goes. Now I need to identify, okay, how am I going to get the months? So letter A, take that initial investment and subtract it from 345. You get that. Step B, take that year total for year 3 and divide it by 12 months, and you get that number. Take your answer that you got from A, divided by your answer that you got from B, and you'll get months. So it's going to take, not 2 years, Pat, you idiot. 2 years, 3 months to get your money back. Sound good? All right.